run the bumper clap world. I want some pussy.
This is the story about the man called the Ganja Man. A long story about the biggest man from Azkaban. He take you with ya, he can not reach ya. Rabang this motherfucker London to Jamaica. This is the story about the man who